What up with it, Q-Han at you, and today we are visiting my old love, my old flame, my forever FL Studio. It's been about 10 years since I really used it, you know what I mean? I've touched it every now and then in the meantime, but I've primarily gotten into more of the hands-on space, but not crazy hands-on, still using the PC, using Machine for quite a while. Of course, now I've got the MPC as well, and what else do I have? The KO2 for a little bit, you know what I mean? That's pretty cool. But yeah, man, as far as, you know, making music in the box on PC, integrating with PC and controllers, MPC, whatever, do and use what inspires you, bruh. At the end of the day, whatever. Use what you want, as long as you're having fun. Who cares about all the other stuff? Anyway, there's a lot of stuff in FL Studio that I know I'm not familiar with now. I know it's not, but that's another piece of my journey. I came in the game with FL Studio, you know what I mean? I used FL Studio for, I don't know, maybe the first 7, 8, 10 years of my music production life, if you want to call it that. So I came in with this thing, man. Still the best piano roll in the game as far as I'm concerned. And, you know, from using it for so long, I just got more interested in trying the hands-on thing. So that's just where my journey has led me to be right now. But anyway, let's jump in here and see what we got. This screen right here, what's going on? I don't even know what's going on right here. They got more going on than ever, of course, as they should. My homeboy hooked me up, and you know what I'm saying? We made that thing do what it do, and now I got FL Studio. So create chord progression. Let's try this. Dang. Hold on. Oh, I can't click nothing yet. Dang, dude. What is this? Oh. Conventional and adventurous. What? This is already blowing my mind. Ah, there we go. Ooh. I don't like that one, but that's okay. Oh, so you can lock. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna keep that. I like that. That one's trash. That's not bad. And that last one is booty. So let's. And see, it's so intuitive. They've done so well at that. Oh yeah. They put drums in there for you? I just made a beat without making a beat. All right. And look right here, I still got my old drum kits loaded here. Man, I've had these for years. This is, you can tell by the names on here. Johnny Giuliano, 1017, Brit Squad. You know, this is like early to mid 2000s stuff right here. Oh yeah. Let's go ahead and get in there. Ah, you still got that. So if you ever put a sound in here and then you throw it over here and it's got this high clicking sound to it, all you gotta do is go to, yep, still the same. They kept a lot of stuff the same in a good way. You just gotta change the root note and it'll show you where it's hitting. So like right, so you see that's on C5. Okay, that should be it. Got a double time. They still got the little velocity joints in here. Yep. And they still got the, yep, feel step. Like a fish taking the water. That's a little sharp. I want something not quite as sharp as that. Is Johnny Giuliano still doing this thing? That dude. Now I'm starting to hear it a little better. Now I want it faster. Let these dance a little bit. And I know I got some monster 808s in. Some monster 808s. Let's see. Just ridiculousness. Golly. I got a ton of just 808s, man. That's crazy. So let's try this one. See if this is too much. Doom, 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 doom. Can you still pull up the piano roll? Nah, there you go. Oh, that's dope. The way they got it laid out now. So let's get this laid out. So. Now let's replace this. Actually, I don't want to replace that because I like the way that piano sounds. I'm gonna record. Dang, how many? Okay. I'm gonna copy all that. And I'm gonna put that in my chords too. Oh, they got the little ghost notes in there. That's hard. On the second one, I'm gonna replace it. Oh, I still got Nexus. The OGs will know about Nexus, man. They're doing loud because it's so powerful and loud. Could use the filter right here to do like a little cutoff on it. There we go. Is there a way I can just double an individual channel? That's something new too. It used to be once you send it to the piano roll, you wouldn't see it in the step sequencer anymore. It looked like they've adjusted it to where now you can see it in both. That's pretty cool. Okay, I did that in the slowest manner possible, but we here, I think. And I think we could take these. So my head, what I want to do is take this 1, 2, 3, and then the last one just extended to 4. So now let's see what we got. My 808, so I'm gonna have to extend. Yeah. I don't know if I want to go that low with it. That almost sounds too conventional. And that sound is real generic. You gotta put something else in there. Alright, I think that's enough for now. It's a lot of cool stuff going on in the FL Studio. So I'm gonna probably dive in here a little bit and get a little more familiar with all the new features it has. If you have any key features you want me to check out, put it down in the comment section below and I will gladly test it out. But I'm still gonna be using everything. I got some new stuff for Machine too, you know what I mean? They got stems in there and I still ain't even really mess with it that much. So a lot of production gonna be going on, man. A lot of fun. I'm just try to use all the different platforms I have access to, vary them so that they stay as exciting as they are now to me. Anyway, let me know what platform or platforms you use down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Till next time, it's been Q hound at you. Peace. Turn it down.